like in the unlike in the dominance, one character is dominant over other, that is called dominant character. But in love incomplete dominance, that is two of allele, one allele is not completely dominant over other. So in the F1 generation, neither dominant or nor recessive character are appear. Intermediate one is appear. So in the incomplete dominance, that is take place in the dog flower called snapdragon plant, with taking parents, that is dominant one red flower and recessive one white flower, cross between red and white flower. So taking red and white gamete, similarly in the as law of dominance RR in F1 generation, this type of genotype we obtain RR, but phenotype is different. According to the law of dominance, it should be what? Red or white? Red. But it appear pink. So neither dominant, neither recessive, both characters are not completely dominant over other. So F1 generation, intermediate one is appear, that is all are pink flower. We go and see for the F2 generation. In the F2 generation, we cross that type of genotype we found, that one red, pink, red and white, that one pink. So what is the phenotype? How many red? 1. How many pink? 2. And how many white? 1. So 1:2:1. And what is the genotype? 1:2:1. Genotype and phenotype are same. According to the law of dominance, phenotypic ratio should be 3:1. But in the case of incomplete dominance, it is 1:2:1. So that is called law of incomplete dominance. Next one, law of codominance. Law of codominance. In the law of codominance, both alleles express in equal ratio, equally, when they are present. Both the alleles express equally in the same ratio, that is called codominance. So the best example of the codominance, the human blood group. Human blood group is a best example of codominance, that is ABO type. Which type? ABO type. So how it show the codominance? Like human blood group also show multiple allelism. Multiple allelism. Very important. What is multiple allelism? Single gene having more than 2 alleles. Generally it having 2 alleles, but in human blood group it show more than 2 alleles. So the gene of blood group, that is I, and it having 3 alleles. How many alleles? 3. Which one? IA, IB and IO. That 3 alleles. These 2 alleles are dominant one, and this one is recessive. Understand? This one is recessive. When these 2 are present together, the blood group will be AB type. So these 2 express equally in the phenotype. The blood group is AB type. That's why it's an example of codominance, human AB blood group. Very important. So how many combination is formed of the individuals if that is the IA and IO is present together? So this one is recessive. What is the blood group? A. That is allele. If IA and IB are present together, the blood group will be AB, because both are expressed. Very important. If IB, IO together, this one is dominant recessive, blood group will be B. Okay? If IA together, blood group will be A. IB together, blood group will be B. IO together, O. So there is a 6 combination. How many combination? 6 genotypic combination. Very important. So listen one thing carefully. So human blood is example of codominance, also example of multiple alleles. So that is called law of codominance. Because in the human there is a 2 type of antigen, A and B antigen is present in the surface. AB antigen are present. If antigen is A, then blood group will be A. If antigen B, the blood group will be B. If there is no antigen, the blood group is O. Okay? So that is a law of codominance. Write down all the things.